Hey everybody. Okay, I just received a couple of models today that I ordered from Amazon, and I bought two of these Space 1999, the Alien Moon Buggies. I have seen these before. These never appeared in a show as far as I know, but I figured it something unique, and it was kind of at a decent price when I got it. And I noticed that this comes with a lunar landscape, and I was thinking I could try maybe putting one of my eagles on here. And comes with clear parts for the windows. It's a small buggy. It's not huge. Got some chrome parts, some wheels, the instructions, some literature. And the reason why I'm kind of going over this like this instead of taking it out of the box was that I just literally received this about 10 minutes ago. I opened this up 5 minutes ago. And these come with these cards, these prints from Catherine Schell. And I was incredibly lucky to get an autographed one. Supposedly this is 1 out of 100 that are autographed. So I am very psyched, very stoked. Can't wait to frame this. And actually, I am so curious now. I'm going to open up the second one in front of you to see if by chance lightning strikes twice, which I doubt, but you know what? It'll be fun to look anyway. So right here in front of everybody, let's just being careful to get a good corner. Let's just open this one up and see what we got here. Okay. Okay, so lunar landscape, chrome parts, wheels, card, and as you can see, this card is not signed. Okay, so I am very psyched, very happy, and look forward to putting this together sometime. So, all right, guys, until next time.